Welcome to Ultimate Geography, where today we embark on an exciting journey to explore fascinating geographical facts about our planet. This podcast is designed to not only inform but also spark curiosity about the world we live in. From the depths of the oceans to the peaks of the tallest mountains, geography encompasses so much more than borders on a map. It is a study of cultures, climates, and the intricate web of life that ties everything together. So, buckle up and get ready to discover some of the most intriguing aspects of world geography. Let's dive into our first captivating geographic feature. Did you know there's a sea in the North Atlantic that has no coastline at all? Known as the Sargasso Sea, it is unique because it is entirely defined by the surrounding ocean currents. These currents create a mysterious area where the boundaries of the sea continually shift. With about 2 million square kilometers of surface area, this extraordinary sea is famous for its distinctive brownish color, which comes from the sargassum seaweed that floats on its surface. Sailors first named this sea after Portuguese sailors compared the floating seaweed to a thicket. Notably, the Sargasso Sea is also entangled in legends, known for the Bermuda Triangle, where many ships and planes have reportedly disappeared under mysterious circumstances. Interestingly, scientists attribute this to human errors and environmental factors rather than conspiracy theories. What makes it even more fascinating is that this region has very little wind, making it a calm zone where old sailing ships could find themselves stranded for weeks. Isn't it incredible how a sea with no coastline can have such a rich history and phenomena? Next, let's explore a country that holds the title for the largest area with no permanent rivers. This country is Tuvalu, a small nation in the Pacific Ocean made up of 33 atolls and reef islands. Covering just 26,000 square kilometers, Tuvalu is distinguished not just by its geographical features but also by its unique reliance on rainwater, as its coral islands are too porous to retain surface water. With a maximum elevation of only 5 meters above sea level, Tuvalu faces significant threats from climate change. It's amazing to think that the economy of this tiny nation depends heavily on fishing and remittances from citizens working abroad, mainly in New Zealand and Australia. Also notable is that Tuvalu's internet domain, .tv, generates significant revenue, further showcasing the unexpected ways geography and technology can intersect. Transitioning to an enclave that's so small yet so influential, let's talk about Vatican City, the only country entirely surrounded by another country, Italy. Vatican City is the spiritual home of the Roman Catholic Church and is truly unique on many fronts. Spanning just 0.44 square kilometers and hosting a population of about 800, it is not only the smallest independent state by area but it also has its own postal service, currency, and even a newspaper. Governed by the Pope, Vatican City is a fascinating example of how geography can influence religion and governance. Interestingly, its independence was established only in 1929 through the Lateran Treaty. Since then, it has operated as an autonomous state, garnering attention for its cultural and religious significance worldwide. Now, let's shift gears to the largest sand island in the world, located off the coast of Australia. What if I told you that despite being made entirely of sand, this island supports lush rainforests, over 100 pristine freshwater lakes, and numerous unique wildlife species? Known as Fraser Island, or Kari in the Buchula language, it stretches over 122 kilometers and is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. With its strikingly white silica sand, which is 98% quartz, this island appears almost otherworldly. For over 5,000 years, the Buchula people have been its traditional owners, showcasing a deep connection to the land that continues today. This harmonious blend of sand and greenery provides critical habitats for over 230 bird species, and it's even known for its purebred population of dingoes. It's remarkable how an island made of sand can harbor such biodiversity and ecological wonders. Continuing our journey, let's explore a country renowned for its lack of a designated capital city. Palau, an archipelago in the Pacific, is an intriguing place where the government operates without a formal capital, though the area of Nurulmud serves as the administrative hub. With a population of just 18,000, Palau consists of about 340 islands, famous for their stunning rock islands and jellyfish lake, where jellyfish have evolved to be stingless. This nation became independent in 1994 after its association with the U.S. as a trust territory, representing an exciting fusion of modern governance with ancient cultural practices. Let's take a moment to appreciate how unique governing structures can emerge from geographical and historical contexts. Shifting to another staggering geographical feature, we have the Andes Mountains, the longest mountain range in the world that is above water. Stretching over 7,000 kilometers from Venezuela down to Tierra del Fuego in Argentina, this incredible range has significant geological and cultural importance. It traverses through 7 different countries, housing not only the highest peak outside of Asia, Aconcagua, but also fascinating geological formations, active volcanoes, and the highest navigable lake in the world, Lake Titicaca. The Andes have shaped the cultures and economies of the numerous communities that reside on its flanks, preserving ancient traditions that date back thousands of years. Isn't it fascinating how a mountain range can influence human history and development across multiple nations? As we explore further into the remoteness of geography, there's an island that stands out for its isolation. Tristan da Cunha is famously known as the most remote inhabited island on the planet. Located 2,400 kilometers from the nearest inhabited land, this volcanic island has a population of around 250 people. It's interesting to note that access to Tristan da Cunha is only possible via a boat trip that takes 7 days from South Africa, emphasizing its seclusion. The island has a single settlement called Edinburgh of the Seven Seas and is notable for its unique ecosystem with numerous species found nowhere else. This captivating example illustrates how remote geographical locations can lead to unique cultural and ecological developments. Lastly, let's delve into an equally captivating feature, the Mediterranean Sea. It is renowned for being the only sea on Earth that experiences almost no tidal variation. Connected to the Atlantic Ocean via a narrow strait, the Mediterranean serves as a crucial ecological and historical crossroads between continents. Its serene shores have cradled ancient civilizations, serving as the backdrop for human development for thousands of years. However, with its average depth and high salinity, the Mediterranean is a unique environment that is rapidly evolving due to human activity and climate change. It's staggering to see how much history and biodiversity resides in a seemingly tranquil area that has shaped many nations. Furthermore, the Mediterranean is infamous for being one of the most polluted seas due to heavy shipping and coastal development, reminding us of the delicate balance between human progress and environmental preservation. That wraps up our journey through some of the most intriguing geographical facts on our planet. Geography teaches us not just about places but also about how interconnected we all are through history, culture, and the environment. Understanding these relationships helps us appreciate our world and recognize the importance of preserving these geographical wonders for future generations. Today, we explored remarkable features of our world's geography, ranging from the Sargasso Sea to Tuvalu, and from Vatican City to Fraser Island. We marveled at the Andes and acknowledged the isolation of Tristan da Cunha, finishing our journey at the Mediterranean Sea. Each of these locations holds a special significance, teaching us about nature, culture, and the history that shapes our understanding of geography. They remind us of how intricately woven our world is, full of diversity and fascinating stories. Thank you for joining this enlightening adventure through geography. We hope this episode has broadened your perspective and sparked your curiosity about the world around you. Stay tuned for our next episode where we'll delve into even more captivating locations and their stories. Until then, keep exploring and learning about the marvelous geography of our planet.